What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We are back at it again with another video. It's your boy Steven. Guys, we are going to be doing something crazy with this MR2. For those that don't know, I'm still waiting for TCS Motorsport to reach out to me to send them the car and get the turbo swap, the turbo 2GR done and ready. It is June 28th, and guys, we're still waiting. Hopefully by next month this car is out. I want this car out just so that I can finish my garage, because my garage is not finished. And hoping to send this bad boy out and start my detail business, I guess, in the garage. So this thing is gonna move. Max Jack is gonna move. I'm gonna put it out there, and then just gonna really focus on detailing. I've been buying a whole bunch of products, but guys, this video is not about that. It's about this bad boy. Are going to be installing the Mad PSI trunk, carbon fiber trunk. I've had it on the attic for a long time, guys. I have never opened it, and guys, man, I messed up, because guess what, I'm pretty sure the clear is gone on this trunk, and I'm gonna be highly upset. But guys, it's been up there, and it's crazy hot out there, and I didn't know better, guys. I didn't know better. I just placed it up there. So I'm gonna turn the camera around. We're gonna open it up, and hopefully, guys, it's good. Hopefully, cross fingers. If not, we're just gonna go ahead and just send it to Reclear and go from there, guys. So guys, cross fingers. Wish me luck. I'm gonna put you guys on a tripod, and guys, I hope this trunk is good. So yeah, man, yeah. I doubt it. It's just been so long on the attic. It's like 130, 140 degrees up there, and Florida weather. So yeah, man, I highly doubt it. But enough talk. Let me get the tripod, and let's get to it. Let's get to it. Dali. I'm not going to sugarcoat it. I've never opened this box, and I just hope it's good. I just hope the trunk is good, man. My heart is pounding. Let me move the transmission from around here. My heart is pounding, boys. Wifey's gonna help me out. No issues, boys.
Yeah, my boy.
Yeah, thank you very much. Boys, let me show you guys. No issues. I need to turn on more light. I need more light. But whatever. We'll do this in a little bit. No issues whatsoever. I never opened Mad PSI trunk, brand spanking new. Brand spanking new. Now we're gonna go ahead and remove this trunk with 94 wing and also the Pooms add-on. We're gonna remove that, and then we're gonna go ahead and install this super rare Mad PSI trunk. I've been trying to sell it for a very long time. I think I was asking for $2,500. I think I paid like a 17, I think almost 18. If I'm not mistaken, I'm not sure. Don't quote me. Around there, it was maybe 1,600. I'm not sure. But guys, brand new, never installed, never opened. The box was good, and I was asking for $2,400, but that's just because I waited over a year just for this, and nobody is gonna be selling this. And guess what, guys? I opened the box, so if you're watching it, it's no longer available. It's going on my 93, is it 93 MR2 2GR, soon to be turbo. We going ham. So yeah, let's go ahead and remove this trunk, and Let's get to work, boys. Let's get to work. Dale. This is the finished product, the Mad PSI trunk in carbon fiber. Sorry, boys, it's full of fingerprints, but it is perfect. As you guys can see, the lines are impeccable and not bad for almost 2 years of it being in the attic. Just because one of you guys didn't want to buy it, well, it's too late now. It is too late. Much better, much more aggressive. And this is what came off the 94 trunk with the 94 wing and the plumes add-on. And super dirty, but freshly painted. Damn, look at that. All right, boys, let's close shop. All right, boys, we are done for today. We installed the Mad PSI trunk. I know I didn't record it, but you guys don't want to see me just swapping trunks. Nah, you don't want to see that. But man, guys, this is looking amazing. I love it. I love it. I love the Mad PSI trunk. I love the carbon fiber. And that being said, yeah, man, it's just looking amazing, boys. It's looking amazing. I was trying to sell it, but after 2 years, I just, you know, might as well just enjoy it. I waited a whole long year just for this. I don't need the money, so might as well just send it, and that's what we did, guys. So I'm super excited. Hopefully this car leaves next month. I'm hoping, just because it is June 28th. July is around the corner. August is around the corner. And of course, Bear Mountain. So will it be done? I don't think so. I highly doubt it. Crunch time, I guess. But it's all, I'm in Ty's hands. But yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is another video from your boy Steven. And you already know. Dale, ya tu sabes.